Hi, welcome to my website. My name is Sam Coman. You'll be able to review my resume and my project list, as well as see and hear me, which I believe is a great advantage when you're trying to find a job, especially in this trying time in recession. So I'm just not a name on a piece of paper. I'm a 41-year-old construction superintendent in the commercial aspect with some training in the residential too. About 20 years total in construction field. I started out as a carpenter's apprentice where I went on to develop my own company, and I ran and built many of custom homes, resorts and clubhouses up in the Reno, Carson City, Lake Tahoe area. And about 10 years ago I met my wife and I moved down to Southern California where I became a residential superintendent for RDM General Contractors in the beachfront areas where I built many of custom homes. That was a lot of fun. Some of those things were just mind spinners where you have to use your creative juices, so to speak, to make these things happen. I went to commercial about 8 years ago and I've been there ever since. I love it. I don't think I'm ever going to go back to residential. I started with Snyder Langston where I built many high-rise buildings, movie theaters, seawalls. I built an emergency seawall. That was a lot of fun at one time. Went to the Snyder Langston University superintendent stuff where they really grilled and trained me on how to be a proper superintendent using some of the project notebooks and Excel and emails, and really got me down into the computer aspect of it. There's obviously, everybody needs more training, and I'm no exception to that thing. But I am fully OSHA certified, first aid trained, I'm CERT trained, I am IBC trained. I'm able to run any job site along with any subcontractors for the most part. I can run any job or any piece of equipment on a job site if it's necessary. One of the things I do I think is very important I wanted to mention is my 3-week look-aheads, where I do my safety and look-ahead at the same time with the subcontractors. That way nobody's butting heads. After that, usually on the same day, I try to bring in the subs and go over the prints and foresee any problems, generate RFIs with solutions. I think that's a time-saving device very much, plus it gets the respect of the engineers and architects, so that way they're not thinking of all the solutions. Even if mine isn't the right one, at least it helps the cogs spinning in their head and come up with their own solution. Very easy to work with, I'm very user-friendly, and I get the job done. I speak with respect, and I work with honor and integrity with every situation to make a better job site. If you're not having fun, then what's the use of doing it, right? My name is Sam Coman. I look forward to meeting you and becoming a part of your team. Thank you.